Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, so a few days ago, Trekmaster30 sent me an email, said that he was sending me an envelope with a little surprise in it. Well, I got that envelope today before work, and this is what was in the envelope. Really nice case for one. Trekmaster, thank you very much for this case. It's a really awesome case, I love it. And this is what's inside. We know it's a lock. He sent me back the 7-pin HABO, I think it's pronounced HABO, that I had sent him when we made a trade a while back. And I sent it to him in stock. And of course it didn't come back stock. Now it is called Thor's HABO. So I threw a pick in it earlier before I went to work. And it took me a good 10 minutes to get in this lock. It works really smooth. Well, maybe a little bit of hanging up forward. But it works pretty smooth. But like I said, it took me at least 10 minutes to get in it. But I'm going to try to do it a little quicker on video, if I can. So I don't make a really long video. My guttings are still kind of long. But, yeah, we're going to try to get in it. If I can straighten out my camera here. If I sound a little funny, it's because I got a cold. Caught it from my grandson. Here, let me throw this key in so I can focus this. Alright, like I said, it works pretty smooth. It is locked up. I'm going to try to get it open again with this Z-bar that I've pretty much modified. It's in 50 thousandths, top of the keyway. And I'm going to try to get in there with this Atala from Sparrows. Alright, there's a lot of room in the bottom of this keyway, so this first pin is really hard to get at, especially with that wrench right there. Okay, there's nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4 is binding. I think I got a little click from him. I got a little click again from, I think that was 4. Okay, a little bit I think off of 2. Got a little click from 1, I believe. Counter rotation on 3. Got another click I think off of 3. Got a click off of 2. Got a little turn on the core. Counter rotation, I believe, from 3. Alright. Counter off of 7. Got a little bit off of him. Trying to keep light tension. I think I got a little more off of 1. Got a little bit of a faucet going. Looking for some more feedback. I think I'm getting some off of 3, a little counter rotation. Oh, and we're open on, I think that was 7. Awesome. A little quicker that time. Sweet. Alright, let's see what he put in here for me. Yeah, like I said, it took me a good 10 minutes the first time. Not so bad this time. Alright, let's see. Let's lock it up. And see if we can get this clip off here. Oh boy, what's he got? A totally round clip on there? Oh, this ain't gonna be easy, I don't think. I don't know what he's got, kind of a clip he's got here going, but alright, let me try it this way, and I'm going to try to spread it with these. Alright, yeah, I spread it. I'll have to fix it. That's a totally round clip all the way around it. But we got it off. We're going to have to fix that. Alright. We're going to shim this one. He did mention though that he didn't make it too hard for me because it does have 7 pins. So, like I said, the first time it did take me a little while. Ooh, this ain't gonna fit. That's gonna be a little small. Hold on 1 second. Let me see what I got. Oh, sorry, I mean to kick the camera. Let me see if I can use this cap. This might not be long enough. Huh. How did I open this up before? I must have used one of these. I had to have. Alright, well that worked. It's a little loose, but it did work, and it does have all 7 pins in there. When I see a pin and pin. Let me see, let me try to focus this. Ah, my camera, damn it. Stop going dark on me. I see a lot of good stuff in there though. Alright, let me see if I can lighten this camera back up. Alright, let's see what he's got. I know that's a pin and pin right there. And it's coming apart a little bit. Alright, well that's number 4. I'm going to put that right there. Alright, see what he's got in 1. He's got a standard in 1. He's got beveled on the top, kind of serrated in 2. Yep, that's just a regular standard. 3, we have another standard. 4 was the pin and pin, and it's serrated. And also the collar is serrated. Put that back there. 5, we have a serrated spool, I believe. Yep, kind of like a small spool on the top. 5 or 6, we have a serrated. And 7, we have a nice spool with a little tip on it, almost like a T-pin. A little bit of a tip. And up here, he threaded 1, 4, 5, and 6. He counter milled 2 and 7. Nothing on 3. So yeah, he did some work there for sure. Alright, let's see what we got up here, if I can keep these pins from popping out with this little follower. Alright, where's my tweezers? Alright, let's see what we got. Pin 1, we have serrated spool. A nice long spring there. Pin 2. We have a double spool, really deep too. And that spring is the same as the first one. Well, pin 3, I believe it's going to be a pin and pin. Yes sir, a pin and pin in 3. And I'll take that apart in a minute. I believe all the springs are the same, they're probably the ones that were in it. Pin 4, we have a nice spool. Alright, pin 5, ooh, we have another pin and pin. Another pin and pin in 5. Pin 6, we have like that. We have another spool with a little tip on it. I'll show you the pins. I know my camera's not focusing very well. And pin 7, we have another nice spool. Oh, double spool. Double spool in 7. And the spring. Alright, let's see if you did anything in here. I don't think so. Nope. I don't think he did anything in the Bible. Nothing. Alright. So, let me see if I can give you a better view of these pins. Alright, I'm not going to try to focus and my camera will go dark on me. Alright, pin 1 is just a standard, 2 is kind of like, well, it's beveled on the top, 3 is a standard, 4 is, well that's the pin and pin, 4, serrated, and the collar is serrated. 5 is kind of like a double spool serrated, 6 is serrated, 7 is spool with nice serrations on the top and kind of like to a tip. Okay, up here we have a double spool serrated on top. Pin 2, another double spool. Pin 3, we have a pin and pin. 4, we have a nice spool. 5, another pin and pin. 6 is a nice spool with a little tip on it. And 7 is a double spool. Nice, very nice lock. Let me see if I can focus it a little bit better for you. So you get a good look at all those pins. Are really nice. Awesome job, Trek. Really good. Nice lock, fun. Thank you for sending it back to me. I really appreciate that. That was awesome. It was a little bit of a surprise. But yeah, that's the HABO, excuse me, 7-pinner. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And for everybody else, if you don't have their permission, don't open it. Thanks guys. Bye.